Well, I'd like to say thank you for watching, and I'd also like to say a massive thank you to everybody here at the Lincolnshire Aviation Heritage Centre. Fantastic place. You must come along and visit. Absolutely fabulous. And they've got a beautiful Mosquito, my favourite, the fighter version. And they've got the Lancaster, of course, Just Jane. And that really sort of ties in with the Hampden here, because I love aeroplanes, and of course I'm British and I love British aeroplanes, and especially from World War II. And when I was a kid, the planes that grabbed all the glamour were your Spitfires, your Mosquitoes, your Lancasters. And it was lovely grabbing the glamour and the glory of all the fantastic missions flown by all the brave crew in those aircraft. And yet, as I got older, and I delved more into aviation, I began to realize there was a whole swathe of aircraft, like we've already covered here in our series, the Defiant, the Sterling, that did outstanding work with brave crews, and they were just simply forgotten. And next to me here is the lovely Hampden, and she falls into that category too. And it's deeply unfair. I love an underdog, and I will always sing their praises. And I love the Hampden because it's a nice looking aircraft. It really is. I've always found it very attractive. And it did a lot. The Dortmund Ems canal raids for me personally, every time I read the accounts, every time I look at a Hampden, I think of that. And that alone should make it in here, in our consciousness. But it doesn't. So I'm hoping that this video and your visit when you come to see will start to spread the word out across the internet that the Hampden is something that should be looked into and admired. And hopefully one day there'll be one in the UK that starts up its engines and goes along the runway like Just Jane, and people come and have a pint or a cup of tea and watch it and remember. And we all remember the sacrifice these brave guys made and whatever they were flying. Thank you very much. And thank you for watching again. Click, like, subscribe. I'll see you again at some point.